Hi, room 162. This week for STEAM Monday, we did an experiment called the Pumpkin Volcano. During this experiment, we learned all about making predictions. A prediction is making a guess about what you think is going to happen by thinking about what you already know. Prediction. That's a new word. Let's clap it out. Hands up and ready. 1, 2, 3. Prediction. That word had 3 sounds in it. Prediction. 3 sounds. Keep in mind about what a prediction is as we go through our activities today. I'm going to share my screen with you. We're going to get started right here. Our I can statement today is I can make predictions. Say that with me. I can make predictions. I can tell you what I think is going to happen by thinking about what I already know. Oops, wrong way. Uh-oh, just a second. Sorry, friends. I'm not sure why that did that. Okay. Try one more time to share our screen. I must have clicked something wrong. That happens. Teachers make mistakes. Try again. Here we go. There's our I can statement. And this is the science song.
Science is a blast with for grades 8A. Healthy music for a child's heart, body, and mind. The Science Song from the CD Children Love to Sing and Dance by the Learning Station. Science. Oh, oh, oh. Science is a part of our everyday lives. Wonderful surprises right before your very eyes. Say hibernation, hibernation, evaporation, evaporation, gravity, gravity, and metamorphosis, metamorphosis. Hibernation is the way some animals keep warm all day. In the cold winter months like the bear in a cave, birds fly south and that's called migration. Hibernation. Frogs are in the mud and they sleep all day, and squirrels gather nuts in the autumn days so they can stay warm in their winter ways. When they do, then that's called hibernation. Say hibernation, hibernation, evaporation, evaporation, gravity, gravity, and metamorphosis, metamorphosis. Evaporation happens fast, starts like a puddle but it doesn't last. The sun comes out and it heats to steam, but you can't see what seems to be evaporation. Evaporation, evaporation. Say hibernation, hibernation, evaporation, evaporation, gravity, gravity, and metamorphosis, metamorphosis. Gravity is a special force. It holds everything very close to the earth, just like a magnet pulling down to the ground. And what goes up must come down. Must come down. Say hibernation, hibernation, evaporation, evaporation, gravity, gravity, and metamorphosis, metamorphosis. metamorphosis is coming soon for the caterpillar and his cocoon. It changes to a butterfly. I don't know, do you know why it happens? Metamorphosis, say hibernation, evaporation, gravity, and metamorphosis. Science is a part of our everyday lives. Wonderful surprises right before your very eyes. Science. Oh, oh, oh. Science. Oh, oh, oh. Science.
Wow, that had some new science words we hadn't heard before too. So right back into our presentation. Okay, so we listened to our science song. Today is Science Day. So, what is a prediction? Do you remember what we talked about earlier? Yes, a prediction is making a guess. We make a guess by thinking about what we already know. Let's try it out. So let's look at this one. I turned on the water and I saw steam coming from it. I predict the water will be... That's a good prediction. Let's see if you're right. Hot! We knew that because we saw the steam, and we know things that are steaming are hot. Oh, this time we're building a tower outside and the wind starts blowing. We predict that the tower is going to fall down. That's right. You got it. Great prediction. We know that from thinking about the times that we've built things, and they could get bumped or something could come by and knock them down. Great using what you already know to make a prediction. Let's check out the next one. So you're taking ice out of the freezer and you predict that it will feel... Let's see if you're right. Cold. Yes, that's right. We know things that come from the freezer are cold. All right, great job. Now it's time for our science experiment. Here's Mr. Rashad with our science experiment today.
Hi, friends. So today we're going to be doing the pumpkin volcano. And so in order to do that, we need a few things. We need some vinegar, which I'm going to pour in right now. We need some dish soap, which I'm also going to pour in. And I'm going to stir it up. And today, I forgot to tell you, we're talking about predictions. So I need your help. What do you think is going to happen as I add our last ingredient, our baking soda? I'm going to add baking soda to our pumpkin. What do you think is going to happen to the baking soda as I add it to the pumpkin? I don't know either. I don't know. So I guess we just have to figure out what's going to happen to it as we add it to our... We have to figure out what's going to happen to it.
So we're going to see what happens next. Did you make your prediction? What do you think is going to happen when we add the baking soda into the pumpkin? Think about what you already know from other experiments that we've done with baking soda and vinegar. Use what you know to make a guess about what will happen. Here we go. Now, Mr. Rashad's going to add the baking soda.
So let's see what happens as we add our baking soda. See what's happening, my friends? Let's stir it up just as we stirred up our other two ingredients, and let's see what happens. Do you see what's happening, my friends? I think I see that it is rising.
It's rising, moving up. Moving very slowly like a volcano. Wonder if it'll erupt. Oh, there it goes. Wow, what do you notice? What's happening?
Okay, we're gonna try to cover it up so it doesn't spill everywhere. Oh no!
So what did you notice? Talk with your grown-up about what you noticed. Was your prediction right? Thumbs up if it was. Thumbs down if it wasn't. It's okay if it wasn't. Remember, it's a guess. We think about what we know and guess what's going to happen. And guesses aren't always right. That's why we go back and we try again. There's our I can statement. I can make predictions. You guys did a fantastic job today. See you next time.